Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you? Hope that you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, today I will discuss about exercise 2.2 of your general math. Dear student, first of all, I will try to give you clear concept of relation. So let's start our topic. Definition of relation: if A and B are two sets, then non-null subset R of order pair of their Cartesian product A cross B is said to be a relation from set A to B. Here the set R is a subset of the set A cross B, that is R subset of A cross B. Example, let us consider A equal to 3, 5 and B equal to 2, 4. So, if you find the relation between two set A and B, first of all you have to find cross multiplication or Cartesian product between two sets. So, A cross B equal to 3, 5 cross 2, 4. So, we can write according to Cartesian product this. So, R subset of this Cartesian product. If x is in A and y is in B is related, then the non-empty subset of order pair xy is called relation of A. Dear student, now I will give you some condition of this relation. Look, if x is greater than y, then the relation will be R equal to, here x is greater than y. So, suppose 3 is x and 2 is y. So, here we see that x is greater than y and x is greater than y, and this order pair x is greater than y. So, we take this order pair and this order pair. So, 3 2 comma 5 2 comma 5 4. This is our relation when x is greater than y, and if x is less than y, then the relation will be R equal to, here x is less than y. So, here we see that this Cartesian, this order pair set x is less than y. So, we take 3 comma 4. This is our relation according to this condition x is less than y. I think all of you are understood the relation and using condition of this relation. My dear student, now I will give you a definition of function by an example. Look, let us consider the relation between A and B for the relation y equal to x plus 2. If we put x equal to 1, then y equal to 3. If x equal to 2, then y equal to 4. And if we put x equal to 3, then y equal to 5. That is, there is exactly one value for y for each value of x. If we put x equal to 1, then our output value y equal to 3, and x and y are related to y equal to x plus 2. So the two variables x and y are related in such a way that for each value of x there is exactly one value of y. Then y is said to be a function of x. Usually function of x is denoted by y, f of x, by capital F of x, g of x, etc. My dear student, this is problem 10 of your book. Problem: if a equal to 3 4, b equal to 2 4 and x is in a and y is in b, then determine the relation x is greater than y in a and b set. If you determine the required relation from this condition, first of all you have to find the Cartesian product of set A and B. So look, let us consider the relation R. So according to the question, R equal to x comma y such that x is in A comma y is in B and our condition x is greater than y. X is greater than y. This is the initial relation of this question. Now I will find the required relation from this condition. So first of all I will find the cross multiplication between two sets, that means Cartesian product. So now A cross B equal to 3 4 into 2 4. So this implies this equal to 3 2 3 4 4 2 and 4 4. So according to the condition, the required relation is R equal to, here x is greater than y, so this is x, this is y, so 3 2, x is greater than y and this is x y, so x is greater than y, so this is our answer. My dear student, this is problem 13. If f of y equal to y cube plus k y square minus 4y minus 8, then for what value of k will be f of minus 2 equal to 0? Given that f of y equal to y cube plus k y square minus 4y minus 8. So if we put y equal to minus 2, then minus 2 cube plus k minus 2 square minus 4 into minus 2 minus 8. So plus 8 and minus 8 are cancelled. So we can write minus 8 plus 4k. Here we see that f of minus 2 equal to 0. So f of minus 2 equal to 0. So minus 8 plus 4k equal to 0. This implies 4k equal to 8, k equal to 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So k equal to 2. This is our answer. Dear student, this is problem 15. Given that if given value, if f of x equal to 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1, then determine the value of f of 1 by x square plus 1 divided by f of 1 by x square minus 1. First of all, you have to find f of 1 by x square's value. Now look, given that f of x equal to 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1, so f of 1 by x square equal to 2 into 1 by x square plus 1 divided by 2 into 1 by x square minus 1. So we can write 2 by x square plus 1 divided by 2 by x square minus 1. This equal to least common multiple x square. So 2 plus x square divided by 2 minus x square by x square. So 2 plus x square divided by x square into x square divided by 2 minus x square. So here x square and x square are cancelled. So 2 plus x square divided by 2 minus x square. The value of 1 by x square is this. Now f of 1 by x square plus 1 x square minus 1, this equal to the value of f of 1 by x square is this. So 2 x square divided by 2 minus x square plus 1 divided by 2 plus x square divided by 2 minus x square minus 1. So 2 plus x square plus 2 minus x square divided by 2 minus x square divided by LCM 2 minus x square. So 2 plus x square minus 2 plus x square. So here x square minus x square and plus x square are cancelled, and minus 2 and plus 2 are cancelled. So we can write 2 plus 2, that is 4 divided by 2 minus x square divided by x square plus x square, that is 2x square divided by 2 minus x square. So we can write 4 divided by 2 minus x square into 2 minus x square divided by 2x square. So here 2 minus x square and 2 minus x square are cancelled. So 4 divided by 2x square, 2 upon 4, that is 2. So 2 by x square, our answer. Our answer 2 by x square. This is problem 16. If g of x equal to 1 plus x square plus x power 4 divided by x square, then show that g of 1 by x square equal to g of x square. Now I will solve this problem. Look, given that g of x equal to 1 plus x square plus x power 4 divided by x square. If we put g of 1 by x square then we can write 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square whole to the power 4 divided by 1 by x square. So we can write 1 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1 by x power 8 divided by 1 by x power 4. So if we take LCM x power 8, so here x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 divided by 1 by x power 4. So finally we can write x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 divided by x power 8 into x power 4 divided by 1. So x power 4 upon x power 8 cancel, that is x power 4. So we can write x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 divided by x power 4. So g of 1 by x square equal to this. Now I will find the value of g of x square. So again g of x equal to 1 plus x square plus x power 4 divided by x square. So g of x square equal to 1 plus x square plus x square whole to the power 4 divided by x square. So 1 plus x power 4 plus x power 8 divided by x power 4. So we see that g of x square value is 1 plus x power 4 plus x power 8 divided by x power 4, and g of 1 by x square values is x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 divided by x power 4. So this value and this value are same. So finally we can say left hand side equal to right hand side, that is g of 1 by x square equal to g of x square should. My dear student, this is problem 18. Express the following relations in tabular method and determine domain and range for each relation are equal to x, y such that x is in A, y is in A, and given condition x plus y equal to 1, where A equal to this. And number 2, if relation f equal to x comma y such that x is in C and y is in C, and given condition y equal to 2x, where C equal to this. Now I will solve problem 1. Look, given that this relation are equal to x comma y such that x is in A, y is in A, and x plus y equal to 1, and A equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Now we have from given condition, now we have from given condition, we can write y equal to 1 minus x. For now, for every x is in a, y equal to our given condition, y equal to 1 minus x. Required value here x and y equal to 1 minus x. If we put x equal to minus 2, then if x equal to minus 2, then y equal to 3. X equal to minus 1, then y equal to 2. X equal to 0, y equal to 1. X equal to 1, y equal to 0, and x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. This is our value from our given condition. So here we see that P is not element of A. So we can write, since 3 is not element of A, so that minus 2 3 is not relation of R. So our required relation is R equal to minus 1 2, 0 1, 1 0, and 2 minus 1. This is our required relation. Now we shall find the value of domain and range from this required relation. So domain of R equal to the first element of minus 1 0 1 2, and range of R equal to, we can write 2 1 0 minus 1. This is our answer. Our second problem, f equal to x y such that x is in C, y is in C, and our condition y equal to 2x, where C equal to minus 1 0 1 2 and 3. According to the previous process, I will solve this problem. Here given that f equal to x comma y such that x is in C, y is in C, and our condition y equal to 2x, and C equal to minus 1 0 1 2 3. Now according to our condition, now our given condition is y equal to 2x. Now for every x is in C, y equal to 2x, then we can find our value according to this condition. So this is x and y equal to 2x. When I put x equal to -1, then y equal to -2, x equal to 0, then y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 4, and x equal to 3, then y equal to 6. Here we see that -2, 4 and 6 is not element of C. So -2, 4 and 6 is not element of C. So that the relation -1, -2, 2, 4, 3, 6 is not of relation F. So our required relation is so the relation F equal to 0, 0 and 1, 2. So the domain of F equal to 0, 1 and range of F equal to 0, 2. This is our answer. Problem 21. Universal set, our given universal set U equal to x such that x is in natural number and x odd number. A equal to x is in natural number such that 2 is less than or equal x is less than or equal 7. B equal to x is in natural number such that 3 is less than x is less than 6. C equal to x is in natural number such that x square is greater than 5 and x cube is less than 130. Number 1, express a set in tabular method. Now look here, our given universal set U equal to x is in natural number and x odd number. So given that U equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 dot dot infinity. So as per STEM we can write A equal to, here 2 is less than or equal x is less than or equal 7. So 3, 5, 7. This is our answer. Number B, determine A prime or A complement and C delete B. So our solution as per stream U equal to, we can write 1, 3, 5 7 9 dot dot infinity, and we have from a equal to 3 5 7. So a complement equal to universal set minus a. So 1 3 5 7 9 dot dot infinity minus a, that is 3 5 7. So 3 3 5 7 delete from this part. So we can write 1 9 13 dot dot. This is our answer. Now we have to find C set and B set, then C delete B. Now look, C equal to x is in natural number such that x square is greater than 5 and x cube is less than 130. So according to condition, if we put x equal to 1, then 1 square equal to 1 is greater than 5, is not greater than 5, and 1 cube equal to 1 is less than 130. If we put x equal to 3, then 3 square equal to 9 is greater than 5, and 3 cube equal to 27 is less than 130. If we put x equal to 5, then 5 square equal to 25 is greater than 5, and 5 cube equal to 125 is less than 130. If we put x equal to 7, then 7 square equal to 49 is greater than 5, and 43 is not less than 130. So we are see that if x equal to 3 and x equal to 5, then the condition will be satisfied. So our C set equal to 3 and 5, and B set equal to here x is in n and x is in odd number. So B set equal to 5. Here 3 is less than x is less than 6. So our odd number is 5. So B set equal to 5. Now C delete B equal to C set delete B set, that is 5. So C delete B equal to 3. This is our answer. Number C, determine B cross C and power set of A intersection B. Solution C number, we have from B and A, B equal to 5 and C equal to 3 5 and A equal to 3 5 7. Now first of all I will find the value of B cross C. Now look, B cross C equal to here 5 cross C, that means 3 5. This is Cartesian product. So 5 3 and 5 5. This is our answer. First of all I will find the value of A intersection C. So A intersection C equal to here 3, 5, 7 and intersection C's value is 3, 5. So A intersection C, that is 3, 5. So the powers, the subset of A intersection C, that is 3, 5, 3, 5 and empty set. This is our answer.